Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Railfan on Location, where we take you wherever we happen to be filming trains today. Where today we are once again back at one of my favorite filming locations and one of the most often featured ones on this channel, the Eagleville Dam in Mansfield, Connecticut, which you can see is right behind me. However, you may notice that where we're standing looks a little bit different than it normally does, and that's for a good reason, because we normally film across the lake from where I am now. We're here today, even though the shot is a good bit worse from on the tripod, because today we're instead going to be focusing on a shot from the air using the drone. We're going to be launching from the town park here, and we're going to try and follow the train all the way down the lake bed with the drone from the air. Should be a pretty cool shot. Alright guys, the train has gone north to Palmer and I'm back in my car because someone showed up to film the birds and I didn't want to be the annoying YouTuber talking over their nice peaceful scenery. So, we're back in the car to do the outro, which is fine. But yeah, like right after we finished filming that train, I think it was an osprey, maybe somebody knows birds better, showed up and started circling overhead, and a goose came out and climbed on the bank, and it was all very scenic and quite a fun addition to the train. It was all very cool and a very fun addition to the train watching adventure. I know we're not normally a birding channel, but I guess we are for the next 30 seconds or however long these clips are going to run. But yeah, quite nice to see the birds as well, and I think that was a very cool drone shot. We ended up flying a little ways down the lake to the sand and gravel quarry before we turned around and followed the train back, and I think that's a very nice shot. It's been one I've been hoping to get for a little while, so cool to finally have gotten it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it and getting out on this fabulous day, getting to film a train, and getting to see some wildlife as well. If you did enjoy this video, definitely leave me a like or comment to let me know that you enjoyed the video so I know to keep making more content like this, and maybe even subscribe to help the channel grow and make sure you don't miss out on the next one of these videos. As always, thanks for watching everyone and have an amazing day.